In this video, we'll be looking at how to determine the square root of 64. So remember that a square number is any number we take and multiply by itself and get a product. That product is the perfect square. So in this case, 5 times 5 equals 25, and 25 is the perfect square number. In this case, we're given 64. So from our list of perfect squares, we do know that 8 times 8 is 64, which would mean that the square root of 64 is equal to 8. Now if we were unsure about that, what we could do is we could take 64 and look at factoring that number down to prime factorization. To do that, we'd start off with something like maybe 32 times 2, if we weren't sure. So from there, we might get that 32 is 8 times 4, and 2 can't be factored down any farther. And from here, what we might get is that 8 is 2 times 4, 4 is 2 times 2, and we bring that 2 down a bit farther. And just to continue that right over here, what we would get is that we'd have 2, carries on down. We know that 4 is 2 times 2, and then we've got 3 other 2's to go with that. So what we get is 3 2's here and 3 2's here. Now 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So we have 8 times 8 equals 64. So our answer here would be C.